meeting you here. I'm Jessica. This is my favorite sous chef. What's your name?
Hero.
Hero. And today we're excited to share some more of our adventures in kitchen cooking. What are we gonna make?
Muffins.
Muffins. Fruity Duty muffins. Before we start, let's go through some of our rules in the kitchen. We'll start with keep the sharps away from the littles, keep the hots away from the littles, bring extra ingredients, things can get messy, as well as the kiddos can get a little hungry in the process, which is great, and have fun, right? All right, so should we get started? Okay, can you wash your hands first? Oh, nice job. Super, thanks for washing your hands. Also, maybe we should show everybody the ingredients. Okay, here we go. Ah, surprise! And those are your ingredients. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna let Hero go ahead and really take the lead on this recipe, and I'll just kind of hand him the stuff, right? We just preheated our oven. We're starting by preheating it to 400 degrees. Banana? Let's start with the dry ingredients first.
Why do you think a banana is wet?
Oh, that's a good point. So let's start with flour. Nice job. And then about a quarter. So if you were to cut that up into 4 pieces, let's see, that would be about half. So dump some of it out. Yeah. So the bottom quarter, the bottom 1/4. Would you say that is half of the cup or less than half? Let's go for less than half. Beautiful. Baking powder.
A tablespoon of baking powder.
A teaspoon of baking powder. Nice job. Oh, just one.
Oh, why? Oh, there's some stuff. I need something.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
Yeah, buddy.
That's a good point.
I'm waiting. What's that?
That is our baking soda.
Baking soda.
Soda.
Literally only 1 spoon of this.
Yeah, and that's half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Awesome. So,
Then whisk it up.
yeah, let's even put in a half a chocolate, your wash. Half a teaspoon of salt.
Luckily, it's spilled on the towel. Now it's going to wet ingredient. Now, pineapple applesauce.
Should we maybe extract the egg first?
No, I want the applesauce first.
Okay. Alright. You said what are you putting in now?
Applesauce.
Yeah.
That was so easy. Splash out.
Alright, I guess Mom's on cracking duty. Alright, check me. There any shells in there? Couple more.
A tablespoon. Milk makes it better.
Yep. Half is okay. Yep, perfect. Tablespoon.
Of some butter. 3 some butter. 1 some butter. Ouch. some butter.
Ah!
Mom, yuck.
Okay, looking good.
What's that egg?
It's mixed in there. Mix. So now I think we're gonna put it all together, huh? Should we do that? Mix which one bowl or the other? Let's do it. I think that's a good choice. Whoa. Watch out for that sharp. Mix it all together with that fork. That's our goal of the day. Mix and mix and mix and mix. So today we used 100% whole wheat flour because, do you know why we used whole wheat flour for our muffins?
Because they are the ingredients.
Because that's a good answer. And what about that fiber and extra vitamin and mineral nutrient goodies? Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, I think you're looking pretty good. No more powder, but we're forgetting something. Oh, all right. Yeah, we could put in the banana. We're missing all of our fruit goodies. So we can start by cutting up the banana. Oh, yeah, I guess we should probably peel it first, right?
Put it in there.
Uh-huh.
For like the pancakes, you like put that in and ice it and we like smash it.
So we like to use the kiddo knives in the kitchen. They will allow kiddos to cut, and they're nice and sharp against food, but not against skin. So it's really cool. And also something exciting that she your cutting gloves.
Yeah. You have a different kind of knife still.
Okay, we could try a sharper knife with these gloves. So our goal is to kind of up our kitchen skills now and maybe be able to use a grater to start. But I was worried about him cutting his fingers with the grater. Maybe grab a butter knife. So I figured let's get some kid cutting gloves. I heard about it from a friend. So really exciting. Let's just cut this up.
It gets on my gloves.
That's okay, we'll wash your gloves. But we always have to watch where we're pointing. Maybe this might be a good way. You want to try cut like this? You can cut together. There's a lot of fruit here to cut.
Bye-bye, fruit knife.
Bye-bye.
No. First, can we mix it up?
We will mix it up as we go in, right?
Why?
This is probably going to be a lot of fruit in here, but go ahead, mix it up. It'll be fun to see how it sits. In a sprayed off cooking sheet, we are going to put in our muffin mix. Do you know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea.
People do it like this.
I don't know about that. Can we spoon it in like this?
No.
Ooh, that makes it a little bit more. I think spooning it in will work nicely, actually. You certainly can do anything. Love that.
I haven't been in. I could do anything.
oven. And the kiddos know to stay away, right?
I'm behind you.
Ah! But you can close the door. Perfect. Dinner's cooking. About 25 minutes have passed, so we're gonna take these bad boys out. Ooh, they look good. I'll let them cool for a little bit. All right, Hero, I think they're cooled down. So, one Korean lesson, shout out Risung Singnim, and a little bit of playtime later. Our muffins have had the chance to cool. Come on, take a seat. So we are ready to try them out. Should we try this together? Mom's gonna be the guinea pig? Okay. Cheers! What do you think?
Good.
Good? Alright, awesome. So you heard it from Mr. Man here. We're good? Let me see. They came out really moist, so I'm a fan of that. Wow. So if you enjoyed, go ahead, subscribe below, and join us on future adventures in the kitchen. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.